it's Olivia. This is my first mini album using Maggie Holmes Carousel and some other Maggie Holmes stuff because I just love mixing the collections. So I'm going to give you a quick flip through. I'm so excited how it turned out. I got these cute little ice cream stickers from Supreme Glitter Queen on Instagram. Haley. So cute. Thank you. I used those from her. So let's open it up. And I kind of ripped the paper here to give it kind of like a, I don't know what you want to say, kind of look. Anyway, I also use these Chasing Dreams stickers because I love the way it looks right here. I just added a little crown and then a little follow your heart. And then this is my son right here, and it says, sometimes you never know the value of a moment until it becomes a memory. And then a little washi's coming up. And then I love this page with the cotton candy stand. I love it so much. Sorry, my lighting's not that good. I have to get another light bulb. Anyway, and it says, you make my days magical. And it says, time of your life. I love this trim. It's from Hobby Lobby. I'm going to start using it more. I love it so much with the bows. I love bows. And the next page. This next page has a little shaker, and it also opens up. These Velcro, and that's my son. It just says XO. I'm going to put more in here. I just don't know what I'm going to put in there yet. And then this is a picture of my son and my daughter. She has a dirty face. She's eating pizza. We love pizza. And then I just added a little sparkle right here, glitter glue, whatever you want to call it. And then this one, you can see the little horse through the vellum right here. And I just decorated with some Nouveau dots. I'm going to get better. I was testing something out since it's my album. Anyway, and then this little tag with my son and my daughter again, and then this little horse moves. I love it so much. And then I also added the Nouveau dots right here, if you can see. Sorry, I need to finish taking off my fingernail polish. You can see it's pretty bad. And then I love this ice cream cone I added right there. And then I also love the colors on this page. It's the Ticket Girl. I made a little skirt for her. You turned out so cute. And then the little bow, and then I put tickets behind the ticket booth. I love it. I'm going to keep doing that. I really love that. And then right here, it's just a picture of my son and my daughter sleeping. I thought it was so adorable. I was crafting late at night, and I usually separate them because my son is so little. I don't want my daughter like monster over him. And they sleep in the king-size bed with me and my husband, and I moved her all the way over to the corner, and she ended up like this. So I was like, oh, my baby, so cute. And then I love this page. It's probably my favorite page. I love how it came out. And I just got this doily from Supreme Glitter Queen online, and she also made this flower too, and I added on this page. I thought it turned out so pretty. And I believe this is from Floor's collection, but it looks so good with this, so I added it. And then this is me and my daughter being goofy with the filters on Snapchat, and I just added some glitter glue again to that. And then the last page, and just me and my husband. We were in Chicago, and then I just added the little tickets and the carousel and the chipboard piece. Of course, the gold bows, famous gold bows everybody knows about from Hobby Lobby. And then I just did some different background right here. Added this chipboard piece and some tags. And then this is just the back, and I just put my information under here. And then the spine is right there. I didn't really decorate it too much. And then I got this from a swap. I don't remember, but I just wanted to use it because I thought it was so pretty. So yeah, here's my first mini album. I love the way it turned out. Thanks.